Hey neighbor, come let me show you how to write an Upwork proposal, especially if you're a beginner. I'll share with you a 3-part proposal that you should use, what you should never do on your proposal, and what you should do. And a simple trick on how you can get 24 hours response when you apply for a job on Upwork. I'll also share with you a template that you can use. So if this is something you're interested in, you want to stay with me because I'm running a 4-part series on Upwork and I uploaded the first one. This is the video in case you missed it and you want to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when I'm going to post the 3rd and the 4th. Either you are guilty or you've seen those proposals that people will write starting with, oh, I have 5 years of experience, oh, I am passionate, this is my skills, I know how to use this tool. It's either you are guilty or you've seen it before. Those are just CVs in disguise. As noise to a client who is stressed, busy, and need help solving a problem. They don't care how passionate you are, they care if you can make their pain disappear. So before you write another proposal that will get ignored, remember this: the proposal you're about to write is not about you, it's about the client. If a client doesn't feel like you understand their problem in the first 2 lines, they are gone. So let me share the 3-part proposal formula with you. Part 1, interrupt the pattern. You want to start by mirroring something from the job post. This shows that you've actually read the job posts, right? Because the first 2 lines determines if they will continue reading the rest. So you want to start by mirroring or emphasizing on something on the job post. For example, if a client writes, we need someone to redesign our Shopify home store or homepage for better conversions, your opening could be, I've been reviewing Shopify homepages all week. I see exactly how yours could be redesigned to convert more customers. There's no dear sir / madam, my name is, there's no copy and paste and dumb from ChatGPT, just relevant. Now, the step 2 is to come in from the problem solution angle. Show them you understand their problem and hint at the solution. What does this look like? So you can tell a client, since we're using Shopify, from what you have described, the real issue might not be the design. It's guiding the visitor's eyes to the buy now button. I've helped so clients fix this exact problem. This makes the clients feel you get their problem, and not just that, you've solved it before. The next step is the call to action with no friction. Instead of saying hire me, make it easy for them to reply you. Make it easy for them to start a conversation with you. For example, you can tell the client, if you like, I can send you a 3-step mock-up idea for your homepage. No strings attached. Clients love to hear that. This works because you're not asking for a contract. You're not asking to sign a contract. You're asking for a conversation that is much easier to say yes to. So that's the 3-part proposal formula I have for you. Now to what you should not do on your proposal.
Hey neighbor, I hope you're enjoying today's video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So before we go further into the video, I just want to tell you something real quick. Do you know that 60.9% of people who watch my channel or videos on my channel have not subscribed yet? Yes, so if you're finding value in this video and any other video you must have watched on my channel, kindly show me some love and support by clicking the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any content on the channel. While at it, give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. Another thing I need to tell you is that registration for the next wave of the VA simulation program is open. So click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to sign up. Don't miss this wave again, neighbor. Show up for yourself this year, okay? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I am grateful for you. If you're a returning subscriber, I am grateful for you as well. Now let's head back to the video.
Don't write long paragraphs with no breaks. You should never list all the skills you have. You should never tell a client your life story except it directly helps the client. But if it doesn't, why bother? Next, you should never beg for a job. Don't do it. Clients can smell desperation a mile away. Now, how do you get a response within 24 hours of applying for a job on Upwork? I'm going to share a trick with you. What you want to do is apply within the first 3 hours that the job is being posted. That's when clients are actively online, actively reviewing proposal. All right, so another technique or another trick, I know I said one, another trick I want to share with you is, when you want to apply for a job, you search for a job, you found a job that meets your expertise and your offer, right? And you know you can provide solution to this client, but you see that 500 to 1,000 people have applied for the job. Please don't waste your connect. Don't apply. But you want to go for those jobs that you see, oh, only 5 or 10, 20 people have applied for this job. You want to jump on that one, your chances, and apply all the things I have shared with you in your proposal to increase your chances of not just getting your proposal reviewed, but also your chances of getting the gig. So I'm going to share with you a template. You can tweak it, add whatsoever you want to add, remove whatsoever you want to remove, but make sure you follow the process we've covered in this video. You can pause this video and write it down. You can start with the client's name. You can find that in testimonials. Just go through the review page. But you cannot find the client's name, that's totally fine as well. So here we go. I just went through your job post about, briefly rephrase what they want, right, in your own words. And I can already see 2 quick wins that could save you time, money, frustration, whatever, while hitting your goal, right? You want to insert a quick suggestion relevant to their project. You want to insert an insight or a potential improvement. I've done similar work for, you want to mention 1 or 2 relevant clients or industries where you state the measurable results, right? You also want to suggest steps that they can take to solve their problem, and that you can deliver it within, you mention the time frame, so that the client can get a specific result. You also want to add that you can send them a free mock-up in the next 24 hours before any commitment. Okay, so you want to end your CTA with, would you like me to go ahead and send it over? So that's a template that you can tweak and use for your next proposal. Do not go to ChatGPT and copy and dump. That is why your proposals have always been ignored. So you want to apply all of the steps we've covered in this video, and make sure to watch this video for the part 1 of the Upwork series, and subscribe to the channel so you stay updated for when I post the part 3 and 4. Other valuable content on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the part 1 if you missed it, or I'm going to see you in this other video where you will learn how to upload your portfolio to Upwork. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in any of these videos. Bye.